Dialogue 1. Cooking at home.
Hi, Sam. What are you cooking today?
Hey, Anna, I'm making pasta for lunch.
Sounds delicious. Do you need any help?
Yes, can you chop the vegetables?
Sure. Where's the cutting board?
It's on the counter next to the sink.
Got it. Do you want the tomatoes and onions sliced?
Yes, please. That would be perfect.
Do you need garlic too?
Oh, yes, I almost forgot. Could you chop 2 cloves?
No problem. How long? Does the pasta need to cook?
About 10 minutes. I've already boiled the water.
Great. Should I stir the sauce?
Yes, please, and don't let it burn.
Don't worry. I'll watch it.
Thanks, Anna. You're a great helper.
Anytime. Cooking together is fun.
Dialogue 2. Taking a taxi. Hello, can you take me to the train station, please?
Sure. Please get in.
How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes if there's no traffic.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like the air conditioning on?
Yes, please. It's a hot day.
No problem. Are you catching a train soon?
Yes, my train leaves at 3 p.m.
Okay, we have enough time. Are you traveling far?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family in another city.
That's nice. I hope you have a good trip.
Thank you. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, I do. No problem.
Great. I always forget to bring cash.
That's okay. Relax and enjoy the ride.
Dialogue 3. Buying a phone at the store.
Hi, I'm looking for a new phone.
Hello. Sure, what kind of phone are you interested in?
I want something with a good camera and long battery life.
Okay, we have this model. It has a great camera and the battery lasts all day.
That sounds nice. How much is it?
It's $600, but we have a discount today. It's $500.
Oh, that's good. Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it has a 1-year warranty. You can also buy extra coverage if you want.
I'll think about the extra coverage. Does it have enough storage for photos and videos?
Yes, it has 128 gigabyte. That's usually enough.
Okay, I think I'll take it.
Great. Would you like a case or screen protector?
Yes, I need both, please.
No problem. I'll add them for you.
Thanks. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please follow me to the counter.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new phone. Dialogue 4. Ordering coffee at a cafe.
Hi, can I get a large latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's cold outside today.
Yeah, it's freezing. Any sugar or syrup?
Yes, 1 pump of vanilla syrup, please.
Got it. Would you like any milk? Regular, soy, or almond?
Regular milk is fine. Thanks.
Great. Anything to eat today?
Do you have any muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry and chocolate muffins.
I'll take a blueberry muffin. Thanks.
Perfect. Anything else? Maybe a sandwich or croissant?
Oh, a croissant sounds nice. I'll take one too.
Okay, so that's a large hot latte with vanilla, a blueberry muffin, and a croissant.
Yes, that's right.
That will be $12.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's okay.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thanks. By the way, do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the table near the window.
Perfect. I have some work to do while I wait.
Sounds good. Enjoy, and let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thank you so much.
Dialogue 5. Visiting the pharmacy.
Hello, I need something for a headache.
Hello? How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning. I think I didn't drink enough water.
That's possible. Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just the headache.
Okay, I recommend this medicine. Take 1 tablet after food.
Thank you. Can I take it with water?
Yes, and I recommend drinking plenty of water today.
Thanks. Should I avoid anything? Like Coffee?
Yes, it's better to avoid coffee and rest as much as you can.
Got it. How much is it?
It's $5.
Here you go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
If this video helped you learn useful English, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More easy English conversations are coming every week. Let's learn together.